So I'm sitting here, yeah, I've just drove home from work. I didn't film at the time, pissed off. Obviously the TT's had a fresh wrap, parked on the road. I'll insert some pictures now. Some look is hit and run there, absolutely dented up the front wing, and I don't know how they've managed to do that to my wheel. The wing mirror was whacked in, but it doesn't look like there's any damage on the side, but I'll find out tomorrow. But the annoying thing is that they've just fully dented this wing. I mean, it might, I don't know, like that is just, like, it's pretty bad. Video. So guys, it's been a week since somebody has crashed into the TT, and yes, it was a hit and run. I parked my car literally just down the road from where I work, and I park there every single week, no problem, no problem at all. Just on this one day, there were workmen going up and down the road because they were digging up the road, doing some sort of waterworks to it. From what I gathered is that they've just been so careless, smacked into the side of the car and not left a note and just got off and left it. And then the next day, I actually went back and I found out they'd hit this car here, I'll put it up here, this car here, this car here, and this car down here as well. So 3 cars they've actually hit on one road. No one knows who actually did it, so I'm not going to bother trying to go through insurance for the sake of a wing, which was well, obviously the wing and the wheel, which was the only thing they damaged. I sort of chose to let it go. I looked straight on eBay and I found myself a new wing. It was black in colour and it only cost me £115 delivered, so I just ordered it straight away. Then waited for the weekend for us to be able to fit it and wrap it as well. So first thing to do on the weekend was to completely take the wheel off. You might notice already that I had actually just gone over the wheel with a rattle can just to touch it up because it looked horrendous with the scratches going on. It looked actually worse than what it was, I think. The plan was just to remove the wing, replace it and wrap it. Upon removing the wing, you'll see here at this point, I noticed that it was going to get a little bit more expensive than originally I thought. Finding the tyre in this condition was not great. So on the inside of the tyre, obviously from the camber wear, it's completely gone down to the cord, so there's another expense gone. I had to order 2 new tyres, which I have got now. They'll be going on in the next couple of days. But other than that, what can you do? Had to get straight onto it and start removing the wing. So finally I got the wing off and I thought it would be pretty cool just to take a photo with the wing off and the wheel on. I just wanted to see what it looks like. So time to put the new wing back on in place of the damaged wing. So the new wing went on as planned, so now it was time to start wrapping it the same colour as the car. Which brings me on to tell you guys that the channel now has a sponsor. Now we do a lot of wrapping on the channel. As you've seen, we've done exteriors of cars, interior bits of cars, like the BMW in the last video. If you haven't seen it, click in the top right hand corner now. Is that the right hand corner? Is that the right hand corner? Which actually brings me on to tell you guys that Easy Skins has sponsored the channel. Now Easy Skins is a company which allows you to customise your phone or any device in any colour or pattern you like. So I've done my phone here, I'll show you up to the camera, in a full carbon wrap, which all these wraps are actually tailor-made to the phone, so it's not actually hard to cut it out. You just easily apply it on, a little heat, and it's stuck down, and it just looks sweet. I've actually done Hannah's iPad in a almost camo carbon colour, and they're going to send me loads of different wraps for my phone, and I'm going to be showing them throughout the videos on my channel. So if you do want to check them out and it's something that interests you, click the link in the description, it'll take you directly to the page. You'll be able to find a skin for your phone, iPad, MacBook, whatever device you want, they've got it all. Back to the TT. So I start wrapping the car, and slowly, obviously being UK winter time, it's getting darker and darker, and I'm struggling to see exactly what I'm doing. So the big question is, did I finish it? Now of course I finished it, but we have quite a big problem. Now what I didn't notice, because it was getting slightly darker as I was wrapping it, is that it's actually a completely different colour.
You played yourself.
Wow. So I've just got to go now. I'm going to go up to Mallory Performance, and I'm going to pick up the roll of wrap that I used to wrap the TT. Now we did buy the same wrap, but for some reason it is different. So we'll go up to Mallory now and get the same wrap, some of the leftovers. Hopefully I've got enough. I don't know, it's more of a silver colour. No idea what's going on. Oh, it's just become a nightmare. So let's get in the car and let's head to Mallory. Cold start is a must. And I've got it. Now this looks the same. Let's take this back and let's get wrapping again. I'm not going to bore you guys with me doing it and wrapping it all over again, so I will check back with you once I've done it. Hopefully it all goes well and it is the right colour. Done. That is a lot better now. It might look still a tiny bit different, but as you can see, the car is filthy here, but it is definitely the same colour this time. So obviously the wheel I've gone over with just a bit of black paint, but I'll probably look at getting new wheels when the weather starts getting better, but for now these will do. The guy just managed to scratch them, not actually dent them. It looks actually quite good, even though it started raining. Somehow I managed to pull it off. And at least this wing is black as well, so when you lift the bonnet up it will show two black wings instead of this white one. But these things are so flimsy, so if you do ever take a knock on one of these, because it's completely aluminium, it's so flimsy. You guys might get a little 2-for-1 in this video, because I have got here some forged carbon wrap left from a video that I did on the BMW, which is in the top right hand corner if you haven't seen it. And I'm thinking of wrapping some interior bits in there, so I might just get on with that and show you how to do it. So I think we've got silver trim around here, we've got silver here, we've got silver door handle, but I'm not going to mess with that. We've got silver here, this huge part here is all silver, this bit here and that bit there, and they're the bits that I'm going to plan to do. So I've got to take the steering wheel airbag off to get to this. Why is my camera not focusing? Oh, so I'm going to take the steering wheel airbag off to get to this, and I'll wrap that, and then we'll just do it. Let's just do it. It's a Sunday, I've not got much to do. I'm just going to do it. I mean, I'm putting in the effort. I'm already dirty from wrapping outside in the rain. Somehow pulled it off in the rain, don't know how. But guys, make sure you have clicked subscribe if you've reached up to now in the video, and hit the thumbs up. Let's forge carbon the hell out of the Audi TT. Right, so as you've seen before, this is my wrapping area at the minute until I sort of refurb my garage and change it into like a nice clean man cave, this area, so we can actually do some like wrapping, and it's just going to look better once I do it. Probably should get on with it really. So I'm just going to wrap all these parts. This looks like it's going to be the most difficult, there's all twists and turns in it. I'll probably start off with this to give me a confidence boost, and then yeah, I'll check back with you when it's done. I'm not going to film me wrapping it. Don't think I will anyway. Yeah, see you in a minute. Now, as usual in the UK, it got dark pretty quick, but I finished up. It's not quite 100% there yet. So what I think I will do is tomorrow morning when I get up for work, I will show you in the light, because you can't quite see it in the dark. And it is morning. I'm ready for work, but I will show you the forged carbon steering wheel, the centre console. Turn that light off so it doesn't make it look yellow. The little centre console. Obviously I haven't done that. I'm probably going to have to do that whilst it's in the car, but it doesn't look too bad at the minute. We've got the glove box done, looking sweet, and then of course door handles, as you can see, and that door handle there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Obviously we've got a bit of a double whammy, wrapping the interior of the TT and finally getting the wing fixed and sorted, and now hopefully on some more modifications on the TT and the BMW. Now what I do want to say is that if you've got any interesting cars, or you've got any sick ideas that you think would be cool for the channel, then message me on my Instagram, which is up here. Drop me a DM. I think that'll be it for this week's video. Make sure you click subscribe, make sure you hit the like button. We'll see you in the next video guys. Peace out.